I want you to start loving yourself more by taking care of yourself. When it comes to self-esteem, a lot of times we don't recognize that how we treat ourselves matters to our self-esteem. Listening to ourselves and how we see ourselves. However, most people listen to how others may see them. When we focus on how others see us, it becomes difficult for us to fully embrace ourselves. We have to learn to live for ourselves. Living for yourself means actually thinking about what you want and also what you deserve. And many times we wait for others to tell us what we deserve or what we want. That's the opposite of self-esteem. If you wait for others to take care of you, it will never happen. Why? Because it's not their job. It's our job to take care of ourselves. We can have support systems. We can have people help us. We are our number one superhero. Teach others how to treat you. How you decide to be treated and how you teach people how to treat you determines how valuable you see yourself and the worth you believe you have.